Hi and welcome to the Tales of the Three Sisters channel. Today I'll be doing a Geek Gear Wizardry boxing for June. So let's get on with it. I'm going to give you a sneak peeky quickly. So there it is. Okay, so let's see, I saw a t-shirt on top, so let's get that out. Let's see. Okay, and it is a t-shirt with one of the windows from the Great Hall with the floating candles, and it has a quote around it which says, "We all both..." Oh, okay, that's wrong straight away. Let's see. It says, "We all both light and dark inside us. What matters is part we choose to act on. That is who we really are." They've missed the word "got" out, but it's still really nice. I have a fan t-shirt from a different fandom which has a mistake on, which I like wearing. See if anyone notices. So I will probably still wear this, even though the quote is wrong. Let's see what is next. I think I will go for this boxy. So the box is brown and has little cauldrons on. So let's see if there's a cauldron inside it. Okay, and yes there is. It's a cute tiny little black cauldron inside. It is plastic, but will go great on my potions shelf. So I quite like that. Let's get on to the next item. And it's similar box design, but it has a flying key on this time. So let's see if it's got a flying key in. And it does. Let's get it out of the bag. It's quite pretty. See if we can get that on the screen. There we are. And you will focus, come on. And it won't focus. Okay. It's quite a nice, pretty key. I'm going to say it's not as good as Cherry Wallace's key out of her box that she did with Geek Gear, because hers has like a deadly halo up in the metalwork and has a ribbon to hang off the tree. But you could add a ribbon, I suppose, to go up with Cherry's one, which I probably will do. Okay, let's get on with the next item, which is in a box like this and has like a cup on. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so get out the plastic. It is a gold and silver cup. I'm gonna guess that it's meant to be one of the cups from the Great Hall. Not that I believe they're gold and silver, but you know, probably wrong, I don't know. Let's see. Next item, well, I'm gonna guess it's Faux Glasses. It says Faux Glass on it. Let's see. Let's pull it out. Okay. Again, it's made from plastic, like the cauldron and the cup, and it's just a little mirror that spins on a little stand. I mean, it's something I haven't seen before, but I'm not amazed with it, gotta say. It is probably my least favourite item at the moment. Okay, let's get the artwork out of the tube. Okay. Oh no, the artwork is good. Like it. So it is of Moody, Tonks and Kingsley when they go and pick Harry up. Yeah, that is really good. I like that one. One of the better ones. I mean, Demigeist one last time was brilliant, I've got to say. Okay, and next item in the box is one of the monthly charms. So I'll get out the pack so you can see it better. I'll get the cardboard so we can see it. So it is a little sock that says Free Elf on it. So that's very cute, little Dobby sock. I do love the little charms, gotta say. I think that was the last item, so let's get this cheat sheet and see what it says. So it's June 2020 and number 1 is the exclusive light and dark window t-shirt. The second item is the exclusive Faux Glass replica. The third item is the Draft of Living Death Cauldron. The fourth item is called the community artwork, and it's named Moody and Nymphadora. So it says, this stunning artwork is brought to you by Tony Blake, and it says, show Tony some love on Facebook at @BlakeArt. I will link his Facebook in the description, so if you want to look at more of his artwork. Okay, and the fifth item is the exclusive Great Hall cup replica. The sixth item is the exclusive Flying Key replica. And the seventh is the exclusive monthly charm collection, which says Feather, which was last month's. They've obviously forgotten to change that. Okay. Let's see. The hint for next month. Hogsmeade. And the YouTuber spotlight is Olivia Rose. Okay. So, I'm not sure this is the best box I've had from Geek Gear, gotta say. A lot of plastic items. I'm going to say I think my least favourite of the items is probably the Faux Glass or the cup. Quite like the Cauldron and the key. I think my favourite item is probably the t-shirt, even though the quote is wrong. Because I've not seen one with a Great Hall window on, gotta say. And also probably the charm. I do love the charms. I hope they keep those going for a little bit longer. So, yeah. So that was the Geek Gear box for June 2020. And, thank you for watching. Hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye!